Let's design a monogram logo with the initials BU. I'll start by using the rectangle tool to create two rectangles, one for the letter B. Next, I'll use the curve tool to give the rectangle a more rounded shape. Next, I'll create a vertical rectangle for the letter U and remove the top stroke. Then, I'll use the curve tool to give the rectangle a more rounded shape. Next, I'll place the U above the B and adjust its size. I'll then use the offset path and pathfinder tools to create the illusion of the two letters overlapping. Lastly, I'll use the ellipse tool to create 4 circles, and use the pathfinder tool to cut out the curved shapes for the top and sides of the U and B.